It runs off of one battery. I just blew some stuff off the counter over there. All right, you guys, we got it. The new 80-volt brushless backpack blower made by Atlas, and you can find this at Harbor Freight right now. I'm gonna unbox this for you to show you all the features, functions, and power that this guy's gonna give you. I don't know how to tackle it, but we're gonna go here from the side. But I've been waiting for this one, especially since tomorrow we're gonna be doing some yard work. Got to trim up everything and clean everything up. Oh man, I'm excited. Okay, oh, there goes. All right, that's the extension tube, I'm assuming. Yes, indeed. Pretty solid. We haven't put the batteries on just yet. Whoa, okay, look at this. Man, this is looking good. All right, looks like it's a little bit of assembly. Not even assembly, just snapping things together. Now, what's really cool about this kit, it comes with 2 multi-volt batteries. You're going to get 8 amp hours if you use 40 volts, and you'll get a 4 amp hour battery if you use the 80 volts. Let's see, they send these guys charged. It's got 2 lights on one, 2 lights on the other, so we should be good. Let's connect everything here. Set automatic speed control to off position before inserting the battery. Off position is where it doesn't pull the trigger back on the handle. All right, let's just put 1 battery in and see what happens. Okay. It's good. It runs off of 1 battery. So that's cool. So you don't have to have both. And then here, it tells you the charge of your battery as well. That's really, really cool. I like that. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. That looks good. All right. Oh, man. And the backpack straps and padding looks incredible. All right. Let's put this guy on. I'm assuming this goes here. So this is just slide on. And just do it where it lines up. Now, obviously, you can rotate it later, but you can put it at whatever position you want after you use it a little bit. That is really cool. So the handle can slide back and forth. Gives you about 6 to 8 inches of variation there, so you can put the handle exactly where it's best for you. And tighten that down. These ones, the tubes just slide on. 1 tube. There we go. And that locks it in. And that locks this part in. There you go. That's the shorter version. I'm not including the second tube right there. And I have a feeling it's super powerful. Let's see how quick and easy we can put it on. Okay, I'm excited. Oh, okay. It's got a little bit of weight. So we can loosen up the straps here just a little bit. All right. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good right there. Now across the chest. It's like that. Now across the waist here at the bottom. Yeah, here we go. That's it, you guys. I'm ready to go. Oh, I just blew some stuff off the counter over there. I'm wondering. That's the auto right there. Now the batteries are on low. But that's what it looks like, y'all. It feels really good on the shoulders. Feels good on the back. Now, I'll let you guys know exactly how it feels, exactly how it did. And we're gonna give you guys some scenes from working with it tomorrow. But that's the unboxing of the new Atlas 80-volt backpack blower. They're claiming 760 CFM at 190 miles per hour. The kit gives you a fast charger, 2 40-volt, 8 amp hour batteries, or 80-volt, 4 amp hour batteries. Everything on this is incredible. I love it. And I think it's going to do well tomorrow when we tackle the yard work.
That's regular. That's turbo. Yes, sir.
What do you think in comparison?
I like it.
You like it? And it can be on compared to the steel. As far,
I mean, it's electric, so if I'm at work, I can't charge the batteries, but it does work.
Okay. What if I told you that it runs off of one battery so you can charge the other one?
Oh,
Well,
okay.
Kind of a good feature, right?
Yeah,
Would you say?
it
Okay. So as far, I know you got the steel one over there, that's gas. What would you say? And honestly, it's comparison wise, you felt it. Does it have enough power? Do you think it's kind of,
It's got enough power for sure.
okay, sweet, man.
It's got just enough power as a steel, if not a little bit more actually with the turbo setting.
Oh, nice. Okay, guys, there you go. Well, what do you think this kit costs, Felix? With the batteries and a fast charger is what it comes with. What would you get?
400 maybe? I don't know.
All right, pretty close. $4.99. Still, yeah. So very similar in price,
Same price.
but this is battery versus gas.
Quieter, a little bit stronger.
Okay, sweet, man. Well, there you go, you guys. We got to clean off the street over here real quick. I got to finish up with just getting this piece out of here at least. I wanted the professional to use the Atlas backpack blower, see what he thought, and it sounds like it's really good. All right, y'all, my first experience with it is that it's fantastic. Pretty good runtime for a battery-powered backpack blower. The runtime is not going to be as long as you get with the gas blower, but the CFM, miles per hour, all that, very powerful, especially when you kick in that turbo. Now, this will run off of one battery as well, but I recommend getting 4 batteries total. That way, while you're working with the other two are charging, and you can just rotate them out. That should give you all-day runtime for landscaping, cleaning up the yard, etc. I like the fact that it's lighter than a gas blower. I like the fact that it's going to be more reliable than a gas blower and that you don't have to worry about oiling it up, buying gas over and over again. It's a one-time purchase, and this guy's going to go to work for you. Available right now at Harbor Freight for $4.99. It's the entire kit. Let me know if any of you have already gotten this and what you think of it. I think it works really, really well for a battery-powered backpack blower. I appreciate everybody tuning into the channel. If you guys like tools, take DIYs and deals, give me a follow, like, a share. And until next time, may God bless you and yours.